Hello and good evening. These are the news update. Chief Minister Datuk Petinggi Abang Zohari Tun Abang Haji Openg today announced the new lineup of the Sarawak State Cabinet effective today. Replacing Datuk Sri Wong Soon Koh as second Finance Minister is Deputy Chief Minister Datuk Ahmad Douglas Uggah a month after Wong resignations from the State Cabinet. Meanwhile, the previous Ministry of Trade and E-Commerce held by Wong is now replaced into Ministry of International Trade and Industry, Industrial Terminal and Entrepreneur Development under the leadership of Datuk Amar Awang Tengah Ali Hassan and his Assistant Minister Datuk Muhammad Naruddin bin Haji Majais and Encik Malcolm Musen Lamo. Assistant Minister of Tourism, Arts and Culture Datuk Lee Kim Shin is now a full minister in the new Ministry of Transport. Lee's previous post as Assistant Minister of Tourism, Arts and Culture is now held by new face, which is Datuk Sebastian Ting. The Ministry of Infrastructure Development and Transportation is now renamed as Ministry of Infrastructure and Port Development, which is still held by Second Deputy Chief Minister Datuk Amar James Jamud Masing. Datuk Jaul Samion is now the new Sarawak State Secretary, replacing Tan Sri Datuk Amar Muhammad Moshidi Abdul Ghani. He had been appointed as Acting State Secretary after Moshidi went on extended leave prior to his upcoming retirement in May. Upon Jaul's appointment as State Secretary, he was a Deputy State Secretary, Permanent Secretary at the Ministry of Land Development, and served in various other ministries. Chief Minister Datuk Petinggi Abang Zohari Tun Openg today announced the appointment of Datuk Wee Hong Seng as the new Mayor of the South Kuching City Council MBKS and Datuk Junaidi Reduan, the Mayor of the North Kuching City Council DBKU. The appointment replaced Datuk James Chan K. Sin MBKS and Datuk Haji Abang Abdul Wahab bin Haji Abang Julai DBKU. Other than that, Abang Zohari also announced that former Sibu Rural District Council's SRDC Deputy Chairman Clarence Ting has been appointed as the new Chairman of the Sibu Municipal Council SMC. Well, that's all from me. I'm Manaruban. Anytime, anywhere.